Let's check how to use CARELEAVES properly. CARELEAVES regular type. Peel off the release liner. Peel off the non-wrapped liner until you can see the entire pad. Apply to the wound. Pinch the liner and apply the pad to the wound. Wrap tape on the wound. Peel off the longer liner without stretching the tape so that it wraps around your finger. Stick well. While slowly peeling off the shorter liner, wrap it around the finger so that it adheres well, it does not wrinkle. Complete. T-shape for fingers. First, peel off one release liner and place the pad on the wound. Next, peel off the remaining liner and bend it to pinch the fingertips. To avoid wrinkles, stick the adhesive sides facing each other. Finally, with both ends of the tape lightly taut to prevent stretching, wrap the tape around the fingertips. Press down firmly to prevent floating, wrinkling, or gaps. CARELEAVES Big Type. Big type of bandage. Bend the joint from 35 to 45 degrees Celsius and apply it. By doing so, it will fit the skin whether it is bent or stretched. Elasticity in the tape reduces skin tightness when bending joints. CARELEAVES fan shape. It is used for shoe sores. It fits securely on the heel so you don't feel uncomfortable when wearing shoes. In addition to the heel, it fits securely around the instep and ankle. Thin tape so there is less pressure when putting on shoes.
Nichiban